Once the exchange account is ready, the next step is the API key. This key lets Glimpse send trading instructions to the exchange account. That is why permissions matter. The key should be trade only. It should not allow withdrawals. It should not allow internal transfers. It should not allow account management permissions that Glimpse does not need. On Bybit, API key creation is done on the website, not the app. Bybit also notes that new users may need to wait before creating API keys. On Toobit, API keys are created from the website API management area. The API secret is displayed once. Store it securely at creation time because you may not be able to view it again later. Toobit also says keys without IP restrictions can expire after a set period. And trade permissions require the right identity verification level. During Glimpse onboarding, paste the API key and secret into the secure form. Glimpse checks the connection and verifies what it can. If a key has unsafe permissions, it should be rejected. If the UID is not linked yet, the account may show as pending or blocked for. Free access. Never record a real key. Never send it in chat. Never paste it into a support thread. The only safe place is the secure onboarding form from the eligible account you intend to use.